Practice set 5.1. Question number 3. First one. By elimination method. We have our first and second equations. By multiplying both sides of equation 1 by 5, we got our third equation. Hence, we match the coefficients of y. By adding equations 2 and 3, y gets eliminated. Now, we solve for x and substitute its value in equation 1. Hence, we got the value of y. So 3 and 1 is the solution. Question number 3, second one. By elimination method. In this equations 1 and 2, the coefficients of y are already same. So, we can directly add both the equations to eliminate y and get the value of x. Now we substitute the value of x in equation 1 and get the value of y. Hence, 2 and 1 is the solution. Third one. This equation will be easier to solve by the substitution method. In the second equation, we separate x and the remaining equation becomes its value. Then we substitute this value of x in equation 1 and solve further to get the value of y. Again, we substitute the value of y in equation 2 to get the value of x. Hence, 2 and minus 2 is the solution. Fourth one. This equation will be easier to solve by the substitution method. In this equation, we easily separated x and the remaining is its value. Now, we substitute the value of x in equation 2 and solve further to get the value of y. Now we substitute the value of y in equation 1 and get the value of x. Hence, 6 and 3 is the solution. Now you solve fifth and sixth one by your own. By which method you found it easy to solve the equations? Tell me in the comments section below. Watch the upcoming video to know how we decide to add or subtract by seeing the signs of the variables in elimination method.